I have shifted to my new room. मुझे ज़्यादा ही independent बनने का शौक चढ़ा था, तो लो बन गई मैं independent. What I owe you guys an update. It's been a really hectic journey where I was mentally exhausted, physically exhausted. This is an update number one. I have shifted. This is my new room of my bed. It's a mess. There's a lot happening. I'm going to rant everything out now. I started cooking for myself. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner was a transition from scratch, and here where I am. Oof. Okay, I shifted to a new place for my work. Then I was working from home and I was like, you know what, I'm being isolated. मतलब मैं अपने आप से ही बात कर रही हूँ and etc. So I was like, I need people, I need co-working people ताकि मैं इंसान बन जाऊँ finally. And bro, that was like my worst decision of my life. For the past 1 year, I have never traveled, okay, for work के लिए. I have only traveled for my ease. तो मुझे work from home का आदत पड़ चुका था and now I'm doing work from office, that is on site, and there's no option of hybrid as well. Like legit, I took a leave to make this video to bitch about why did I choose work from office. God. Okay. Don't ask me which city I have shifted to, but I have shifted and this is my hostel. It's a 3 sharing room and अतरंगी मतलब मिसाज के लोग मिले हैं. People say, right, your first office, your first hostel with people whom you share, they are pure gems, okay, pure gems, and that is so true. So कहानी यहाँ से शुरू होती है कि मुझे कुछ ज़्यादा ही चिल हो रहा था and you know I just wanted to explore, travel, work from office, etc. And I was like, let me do work from office, and now I have to travel every day. And guys, I take my words back. Work from home is the best thing ever इस दुनिया में जो सृष्टि हुई है, because it's so convenient, bro. You don't have to get up from your bed, you don't have to dress up. तुम्हारी travel expenses बच जाते हैं. I'm spending nearly 7,000 to 8,000 only on travel, bro. Like I'm getting peanuts. उस peanuts में पूरा लड्डू travel में जा रहा है. And then the very next day I shifted. The very next day I have to go to office and I get to know that इस hostel में खाना नहीं मिलेगा, so you have to cook. And then I'm like, utensils कहाँ से लाऊं? See, in my home there's a lot of utensils, okay, but the thing is, when I shifted to this hostel, the landlord said that, you know what, fridge hai and all. The fridge we need to share with other girls certainly, but I was like, utensils hai, then it's very good. I don't have to buy one. अबे बर्तन, cooker, वो सब मैं कहाँ से लाऊंगी, bro? This is a very girl panchayati thingy. Like yesterday only, मैं जाती हूँ into the kitchen. I fill water in one of the bowl so that I can pour it in my bottle. And then one girl comes. She's like, this is mine. And I'm like, okay. I mean, पानी भरा है, दे दूँगी. Then she's like, यहाँ पे सबका अपना अपना. I'm like, what do you mean by सबका अपना अपना? Because bro, I just shifted 2 days back and I don't even have a water bottle. Okay, water bottle भी मैंने अपने रूममेट से उधार में मांगा है कि भाई मुझे पानी पीना है. She's like, no, यहाँ पे vessel, pan, चम्मच सब कुछ अपना अपना है. I'm like, okay, I don't know this. क्योंकि मैंने खाना तो मंगा लिया है Zepto Blinkit से, but मैंने vessels नहीं मंगाए हैं. Then that's when I realized that मेरे किचन में 5 to 6 यूटेंसिल्स बार सोप्स हैं. मतलब ब्रो, यहाँ पे हॉस्टल में ये जो बर्तन धोने के साबुन होता है, दैट इज ऑल्सो नॉट शेयर्ड, दैट इज ऑल्सो अपना अपना. यू नो दैट्स वेयर आई मिस दिस ब्रो कोड थिंगी. क्योंकि अगर कोई लड़का होता, सच बता रही हूँ, एवरीवन वुड बी लाइक, मैं बर्तन लाऊंगा, मैं कुकर लाऊंगा, मैं ये बर्तन वाला साबुन लाऊंगा, एंड दे वुड शेयर इट. बट दैट्स नॉट द पॉइंट. दे आर गर्ल्स. And I'm like, I need to go to a supermarket now because मैं कितने बार ही मैं ऑनलाइन से मंगवाऊंगी यार. सुपरमार्केट का भी मुझे व्लॉग बनाना था, तो that's why I wanted to go. But again, when I saw the crowd over there, see, I went on a Sunday in a metropolitan city and लोग जानवर बन गए थे. Okay, they were like legit animals कि कहाँ मेरे को खाना नहीं मिलेगा, फिर से लॉकडाउन लग जाएगा. People were, you know, खींच रहे थे, I don't know. And I'm like, वहाँ जाके भी I could not make a vlog. So I wanted to make a vlog on, you know what, my first grocery shopping. पूरा सा तैयार होके गई थी, and you should see the crowd, man. And I missed you guys so much that I legit took a leave today and I am making a vlog. So It's very easy that you are staying in home saying that I want to be independent, I want to take care of my expenses, my food, I'm going to cook. It's not that easy, bro. मैं भी करती थी. When I was in my home, I used to make my own breakfast because the lunch was already prepared. बर्तन ready थे, vegetables were always in the fridge. Whatever I wanted, my dad used to order it. Shifting altogether to a new house and doing everything from scratch, that is purchasing utensils to setting up a chula, everything is very difficult. And please, imagination और reality, मतलब reality में जैसा थप्पड़ मारी and I'm like, ये क्या था? मैं तो मतलब क्या तो सोची थी, bro. I thought that what, I'm gonna live alone and set up everything. Thank God मैं hostel में रह रही हूँ जहाँ पे ये सब furnished है. Living in a safe society also matters, right? After all, I'm a girl, तो मुझे वो factor भी आ जाता है कि भाई मेरी सेफ्टी. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि I can roam around the city even at night and all, but at the end my safety is in my hands. मैं किसी और के भरोसे में जा नहीं सकती ऐसा. I won't say difficult, things are getting challenging, I can say. Yeah, that's the right word. Things are actually challenging. जब मैं वर्क फ्रॉम होम करती थी, राइट, आई नेवर यूज्ड टू कैलकुलेट दिस ट्रैवल एक्सपेंसेस, ऑफिस आना जाना, लीव्स, बिकॉज पहले मेरा जो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन था इट वाज वर्क फ्रॉम होम, पहली बात, एंड दूसरा इट वाज लाइक इट वाज अवर विश, वी कैन टेक लीव एनी टाइम वी वांट, बट ओनली थिंग इज इफ समवन इज कॉलिंग थोड़ा अवेलेबल रहो, टेक्स्ट कर दो, ऐसा. बट आई एंटर इनटू प्रॉपर कॉर्पोरेट जहाँ पे एवरी लीव मैटर्स. एचआर से भीख मांगनी पड़ती है कि प्लीज छुट्टी दे दो, और ईमेल करना पड़ता है फॉर लॉन्ग लीव्स लाइक अराउंड 1-2 weeks प्रायर, और योर ट्रैवल एक्सपेंसेस आर नॉट कवर्ड. ट्रैवल एक्सपेंसेस फॉर अदर लोकेशन इज कवर्ड, बट तुम्हें ऑफिस आने के ट्रैवल एक्सपेंसेस नहीं मिलेंगे. लाइक ओके, if there's lot of crowd and all, I cannot. So I travel by cab. I know, मतलब मुझे बहुत अमीर वाले शौक हैं, बट मैं मेहनत भी करती हूँ, ब्रो. उसके हिसाब से I'm very hard working. I'm not just bluffing around. So yesterday was my first day in my office, and second day मैंने छुट्टी मारी है because of YouTube, only for YouTube. So yesterday was my first day, and सुबह तो बहुत जल्दी पहुंच गई थी मैं, touch wood. But evening, my colleague suggested that what, auto बहुत expensive हो जाता है, why don't you go by bike taxi? And I'm like, okay, bike taxi थोड़ा cheap पड़ता है, let me just try. And the bike taxi, she was a lady, who was driving. Bro, मैंने ऑफिस से शुरू किया, hardly it's 15 to 20 minutes, okay? 6:30 I started, maximum by 7 o'clock I should reach. I got lost on my very first day. On my return, मेरी दोस्त है यहाँ पे who is supporting me. She didn't know because she was an officer. मैंने inform नहीं किया था, and I got lost, fucking lost. And then मैं मैप देख रही हूँ, मैप मुझे कहीं और लेके जा रहा है और 1 घंटा दिखा रहा है. I'm like, wait. फिर मैंने legit बाइक वाली को रोका, bro, lol. जब से मैं यहाँ पे आई हूँ, there's not even one single day जहाँ पे मुझे शॉक्स नहीं मिले हैं. Every day there's like something, एक दिन ये, एक दिन वो. This video is like specifically I'm making this video only to rant, okay? Like, why did I do that stupidity? कुछ ज़्यादा ही independent बनने का शौक था, क्यों? And then at the end, you're my family, you're my YouTube, and I have to speak out that, bro, it's not that easy. तब से मैं बोल रही हूँ डिफिकल्ट है, चैलेंजिंग है भाई, इतना ईजी नहीं है. बहुत सारा पैसा है तो तुम भी अभी बाहर निकलो तुम लोग. If you have a lot of capital, then only get out. If you don't have money, if you have peanuts, don't think of trying to be independent, cooking alone, and पूरा मैं shift हो जाऊंगी, अकेले travel करूंगी. No. Since speaking about independence is really easy when you have every shit done. So the moral of the story is, if you're trying to move out of your home and become something, you dream of something else, but reality कुछ और दिखाता है. Have a lot of capital saved. पैसे यूं उड़ जाते हैं, पता भी नहीं चलता, और मतलब मेरे हाथ में पैसे ही नहीं टिक रहे. Know your city, bro. Like, अपने सराउंडिंग्स को देखो. Where is what is the landmark? मेरी तरह खो मत जाना जैसे मैं हो गई थी. Luckily, I had the landmark. I knew that this is the place, and वहाँ से again I came back. World is harsh. If you're all alone, if you're very naive, if you're too kind, they're gonna use it, and I faced it. I am too kind. I'm not naive, but I am kind. बहुत पैसे कमाओ. The main lesson which I learned after moving out is that you need to earn a lot of money. You need to have shit ass money, and I want a lot of money. Lot of money. मुझे सिर्फ लक्ष्मी चाहिए. दैट्स माई ओनली लव राइट नाउ। मैं हो गई इंडिपेंडेंट। मिलती हूँ मैं आपको नेक्स्ट व्लॉग में। बाय।